Hello Rick, my name is Jasleen. So here's the assignment 4, which is Azure Cognitive Services, and I will be presenting on based on the images selected from different monuments. So what's the coming up next is what are the cognitive services, what are the steps involved, and steps involved would be like adding the data, training model, and testing the model. So what are the cognitive services? So cognitive services are the set of machine learning algorithms which are used to solve the problems related to the artificial intelligence. Basically, there are 5 categories of cognitive services: the vision, knowledge, search, speech, and language. So the steps involved for having for cognitive services are like adding the image, where we first create our project and will upload the images, and then associated to that images we will be creating the tags. Next we will be training the model, the images which we have inserted, we will be training the classifier, and after training we will be testing the model, where we will be evaluating the classifier and will checking the level of confidence. So first step is the adding data, which is the images. So this is basically my home screen of the I have created the project monuments, and there I have added Chichen Itza, Christ the Redeemer, Great Wall of China, Taj Mahal. All the images I have added. I have added more than 7 for each of the category, and all the images have been embedded in the monuments also. So this is just where we have uploaded the images. Next we will be training. So training the model, after going for training the model, we will be checking the performance. So this came up after training. So the precision is 100%, AP is 100% also, recall is 95%, and this is the performance per tag. So for all the monuments, all the 7 wonders, like 4 wonders which I have selected out of 7, so the precision is 100% accurate. And next we will be checking the weather about our testing. So we'll go to quick test. So I have used image I have from the browse local files. So I have used this image. This is basically not the Taj Mahal, but this monument is a temple located in India. So the model it searched as the Taj Mahal because it looks like a Taj Mahal, because of the because of it is made of a white marble and this dome over it. Next is this image. I have browsed it from my local system. So it searched the prediction come out for probability of Taj Mahal is 43%, and Christ the Redeemer is 40%. This might be because the Taj Mahal is having a monument is having a white all over the marble, and the background is sky blue, the images which I have used for Taj Mahal. And the Christ the Redeemer is also the same. It's having a white Jesus and the background as a sky, so that's why the probability of Taj Mahal and Christ the Redeemer is this much. The next one is the road. So it shows the Great Wall of China. Prediction probability is 46%. 0.6 is because the images which I have used for the Great Wall of China is because the images are like looks like a wall, the road, and the wall has been surrounded with a few few areas like brownish and bit like a greenish. So that's why the color might be the reason of the prediction to be predicting the Great Wall of China. These are also the stairs I have used. So it predicted the Great Wall of China as a 69, and the Chichen Itza is of 36.7. So this is basically the prediction of the images I have used. Now I will move with my project. So here I have created a new project with the name as a monument, description, wonders of world. So I have, out of 7 I have used 4 wonders. So we'll be using the project type as the classification and multi-label, where we are using multi-tags per images and journal A2. And this is my project. So I have used, so these are the images which I have tagged. Chichen Itza are the images I have used, and this is the Great Christ the Redeemer, and the images for Great Wall of China I have used. Yeah, okay. So these are the images of Taj Mahal. These are the images of Great Wall of China I have used. So after selecting the images, we came to know that we'll train the model. So after training, the performance came out to be this much. And for the quick test, I have browsed the local file. So if I go to if I select this image, this one, or say, so this one is having a white monument, and this is the temple, basically, not the okay, sorry. Okay, I will go for this one. So it's a white temple, not the it's not the Taj Mahal, and this background is blue, so that's why it's detecting Taj Mahal. If we see Taj Mahal images, so basically it's like a white monument with the blue background, so that's why the prediction model is it's testing as a 90% of Taj Mahal. If we go to, if we search this image, and we'll copy the address of the image and we'll enter. So this is basically the Statue of Liberty, but the prediction, the probability is saying for Christ the Redeemer 84%. This might be because of the way it's standing, the colors, so with the arms, so because of the color, so the Christ the Redeemer is like, because of the arms, the color of the statue, the background, so that's why the prediction was this for our Statue of Liberty. And same if we go with the with this statue. So this is Statue of Unity. So if we load this as image URL, so it will detect a Great Wall of China is 44 and monuments 97.2. so it's detecting Great Wall of China, might be because of the background. So this might be the, it's look like a wall, so that's why it's detected for Great Wall of China, and Christ the Redeemer because of this statue. So this is my where we are checking the image through online link, or either by browsing the local files. So these are the predictions which we have which we got from loading the images. So we can see that the predictions we are getting for all of these are just because of depending upon the color, the background, the way that it is representing. So if we see this one, so this is basically saying the Great Wall of China, because the Great Wall of China is having this long type of roots, the images which I have used over here. This one, so because of this one, this long root, so that's why it's detecting the longest roads as a Great Wall of China. And same thing with this thing, it's detecting it as the Taj Mahal because of its white body and the blue background. And same thing with this, it's detecting Christ the Redeemer as a 84%, and it's detecting this as a Great Wall of China because of the background. So this is all about the presentation. on cognitive services of the Azure. So thank you. I will be posting the YouTube link of the video. Thank you so much.